Fun with Ruth.
Ellie.
And Elisha.
It's now 7:30 a.m. and we're rushing to Busan Station because our train to Seoul will depart at 9:05 a.m. Yan. Kasi sold out na yung mga later time. Dapat nga parang
Hello.
lulubos-lubosin namin yung checkout ng 11 a.m. Kaso kasi hindi kami makabalik ng Seoul agad. Di agahan na lang. So, dapat nandun na kami by 8:45 para may space pa itong mga luggage namin pag dumating yung train. Wow! That's the sunrise in Hyundai Beach.
Maganda pala maglakad din sa madaling araw. So,
Hindi na namin inabot to because we wanted to sleep more.
dapat nung gabi pa na natulog. Umaga.
Station na! This is Busan Station. Yung mga kainan din. Yan. Maya-maya bababa na kami. Okay. We're gonna ride the KTX again. Going to Seoul. Are you ready? And there. Mahiwalay na kami. Saka patalikod. Okay. Ihitin ako. Sa the train. Napang tao. Nagahan namin kasi ang dami namin luggage. At may batang with me milk. Yummy?
Good job.
まもなくトンガ駅です。
Buti may escalator. Hey guys, so nakadating na kami sa hotel. Doon kami sa Eskinita. According to Naver, yun yung pinakamalapit. So, ay, sorry. May band 8. May sugat ako. Ayan. Dito kami naka-check-in. Maganda yung place. Katapat niya yung Changgyeon stream. So, mamaya yung last day nung lights nila. Umabot kami. Ayan. So, may coffee shop inside. And then, ito yung kanilang lobby. Yan. Tapos yung front desk naman nila is can understand English. So, di nagkaroon ng problema yung pag-check-in. Hindi difficult. Ayan. And then, we were allowed to check-in earlier than 3 p.m. Ang sabi nila, ang earliest check-in is 2:30 p.m. So, nag-aantay na lang kami ng 10 minutes. We have a vento, but it's out of order. And then you can get these flyers if you want info pagdating sa mga tours. Ayun, Christmas pa. Meron pang Christmas tree. And there's the good thing about this hotel is it has an ATM machine. ATM machine. ATM. Ayan. So, hindi na kailangan lumabas to withdraw. So, ayan. Hey!
Hello Kitty. Stop the Hello Kitty.
Not too loud. Yan.
Hello.
So, yun lang. Mag-freshen up kami, tapos mag-late lunch kami. Hanap kami. Mukhang malayo yung mga place kung saan pwede kumain. Ayan. Oh, wow. Ay, may static talaga siya. Wow. The room in Busan is bigger.
I put mine.
Let's see.
When it's more beautiful, when it's more beautiful,
We'll see.
Ito na, pag Moses, so nalilig talaga. Amin na. Yan.
Oh, ito na.
let's go.
This is our room. Na-allergy si Daddy. Our room has this. Yan. And then may save. Yan. And then may mini ref. Mini ref sa ilalim. Let's see if may snap. Mini ref. Nothing. It's just mini ref. Then nothing.
Yan,
May full size na mirror. And then may robe. And yan. CR. Oh. Nice. May bathtub na may crack na maliit. There you go. That's it. We're off to Myeongdong.
Myeongdong Beach.
Anong Myeongdong Beach? Myeongdong lang.
Myeongdong Beach.
Signature Tower.
Binafix lang.
Ah,
Next time, you don't bring your bag na, ha?
Look, so many lights downstairs. Ayun, may elevator, oh. Baba muna tayo, gusto nyo? Oo. Last dito. Hindi ko alam. Tara na.
Go, Elisha, baby. Come on, come on. So?
Hanapin natin.
Ano, Olivia.
Ah,
Yan ang mag-group.
Gangnam.
Anong binibili natin sa
Ito
chicken?
yung in-order namin.
Timer yun.
Dumpling, grilled short rib patties, duck jejong, saka kalgakso.
Dito mo sa gilid, meron ka rin yung lagay ng kimchi. Kimchi. Ay, lagay ng ano ko
Pabaya.
Yay, done. Yan. Unlimited ang kimchi nila. How's the kimchi?
Spicy. Sarap siya. Grabe.
This is their dumpling.
Saan?
Oh, this is
Alaysa.
chicken. This is
Chicken
mine.
ten.
Let's eat
This
na, baby.
is
Sujen. Ano?
duck gejang. Duck gejang. Tapos may kasama siyang rice.
Sarap na ito.
Yan. Ooh, ooh. How do you find your noodles?
Grabe.
Good? Good.
Isa siya pa.
Siopaw. Siopaw daw, sabi ni Elijah. Dumplings.
Ito, baby. Here.
yours?
Here, you can use this. There's a
I
sauce.
like
She does not
Yummy
like sauce. Oh, here. Han, pakitanggal.
it.
No, no, no.
Taste it. It's yummy. Like it? Huh? Oh. Put it here. Wow.
We asked kung pwede mag-take out. Bawal daw. Dumplings lang daw. Yan.
Kasi walang
Bibilhan
packaging.
namin sila
This is your favorite.
carrots.
Wow, very good. Galing na.
Sarap, no? Sarap nung beef.
You help your papa sa noodles.
Sarap nung
Ang sarap. Ang sarap ng patty.
Sarap ng food. Yan.
Pero kung may bibilin ako dito yung dumpling. Yung
Oh,
noodles.
babalik-balikan namin yung dumplings
Pero yung
dito.
noodles, sakto.
Masarap. Yummy dinner dito sa Gangnam Koja. Yan, sa taas. Try niya rin dyan. Yan.
Look, up.
Wow! Wow, it's so cold now, no? Ay, dito yun. Hi! Hi guys! This is our hotel here in Seoul. Ayan, Hotel Venue G. Tapos ito yung view niya. Ayan. Ang harap niya is yung sikat na stream. Ayan. Today, late na kami gumising kasi sobrang pagod. Pahinga muna kami. And then ngayong hapon, we're gonna go to one of the popular samgyetang place here in Seoul, yung Tosokchon. So we're gonna try it and let's see if it's really the best. We just took a taxi going to Tosokchon. We're supposed to take the bus, but we don't have tea money yet. And gutom na kami. Medyo matagal kasi. Ayan. Oh, here. This one's Tosokchon. So we need to fall in line to go inside. It's a very popular place. Tosokchon. 안녕하세요. 8. Okay.
뭐 8분이요.
Right here. Okay. Here. 감사합니다. Oops. Okay. We're here. So, kailangan pala, pag mag-order ka dito, 1 order per person. So, anything, tapos 1 order per
Elisa?
person. Kasi ganun. Okay, thank you. Tapos, ang gagawin na lang, kasi parang sobrang dami, itong Tosokchon rotisserie chicken, iti-take out na lang mamaya pag may sobra. Kasi parang feeling ko ito hindi to pwede. Yan. How's the authentic kimchi?
Sarap.
Ha? Ito.
Kaya ko yan? This is also tasty.
Now we're gonna eat. Ayan. Pajon and the famous samgyetang.
Masang okay.
Let's eat. Lesha, how is it?
Good. I learned chopsticks again.
Careful ha. Oh. You like the bajun? Yes?
Egg.
It's with egg. Wow. And with vegetable, right?
Oo nga, no, ilipat natin. Ah, Ben.
Bigyan mo dito kay Elisha para...
Opo. Ayan.
Wow.
Thank you po. Ay, pero na lang na isang malaking tinito.
Lilipat tayo dito sa Korea. Puro kami chicken. Inside the chicken, there's something. Oh.
What do you see?
Wow.
Soup.
There's rice.
Yes.
Look at right inside. The chicken.
Thank you, baby.
Unahin niyo yung basa na chicken. Kasi yan pwede natin i-take.
Oo nga pala.
Mommy, water.
Yes, bebe. Hold on.
Para siyang lugaw. No? Aros caldo. Baliktad eh.
Ito yung ano.
Aros caldo. Maraming rice. Konting chicken. Kasi ito naman, chicken na may rice sa loob.
Yan, oh.
Nice.
It's the black
Tikman nga natin itong
samgyetang.
ginseng.
Wait there. Kung naman ang gulo. Go, ano ba? Okay.
Sobrang pait.
Yummy?
Hmm.
Because you're taller than her.
Yummy?
It's like chicken too.
Okay, if that is your agreement.
Like one chicken too.
Yes.
Gusto niya mag
Then, we're gonna put pepper.
Ang tila. Ako biglang. Ayan. Ay, naman. Hingi pa tayong kimchi gusto mo?
Okay.
Gusto mo kimchi pala?
Hingi pa ako. Hingi tayo. Hingi tayo kimchi pa. Wait po ah.
Sabay na sa...
Yeah, I try to kiss your lips.
Hanok style yung mga kainan nila. Ayan. So, may iba't ibang mga areas.
Oh, ganda niyan. Sobra.
Pwedeng may tables and chairs. Tapos pwede naman nakaupo sa lapag. Ayan. Ayan siya. Unlimited yung kimchi. Ito nila pinaprepare. Tsaka yung parang wine nila. After eating, you need to go to the counter and bring this. So that you can pay it na. Okay. Sa counter. Other spaces. So lahat ng kinain namin, 119,000. Thank you! Oh, it's snowing! It's snowing! One, two, three. Elisha girl! This is where we ate. And dito, paglabas namin, it's snowing. Syempre, picture agad. Kasi baka biglang mag-stop. Yan. So, yung buong restaurant is Hanok inspired. Yan. Saya. Na-experience na namin yung snow. Hanggang 6 PM daw may snow. Yan. So kapag ganito yung climate, dapat mas maganda na waterproof yung suot nyo kasi para hindi ma-absorb yung basa. This is the roasted chicken. Ba't ka kasi nagtutulak dyan?
Ice yan.
Tulog si Oli, dear. Kaliwa daw. Tapos
Ay, ang ganda ng ano, bundok.
Ano si Papa eh?
Opo. Palakas na ng palakas yung snow. Nainitan. Joseon's Royal Cuisine, Reverence and Sharing. Oh. Let's see. Bawal na mag-picture sa loob eh. Oo. If you wanna visit this place, admission is free. Ayan, you'll appreciate more yung culture and yung mga ginagawa sa palace noon. Ayan. We're here at Cafe Onion. Come on, let's go inside. Sikat daw ito for their pastries. So hanggang 10 p.m. sila. Let's find a table first. I think it's full. Let's see. Bye-bye po. Hello po. Ang nice. We got our table from another Pinoy. So, hiniram namin yung... Ay, kami yung next sa table nila. So now, we're gonna order. Here. Let's check their menu. So the area where you can eat is different from the area where you can order. So let's order. They said the pistachio here is nice. So sana meron pa kasi that's their best seller. 안녕하세요. Let's get some pastry. Hey, Bebe! You wanna choose your food? Wala pa, hindi ko alam eh. Wow! There's strawberry, Bebe. Look. Sige, tawagan mo na lang. Oh, wait. It might fall. Elisha, wait. Oh, let's order this na. Sausage. Cream cheese garlic. Ito na lang kila Papa. Yan, pili si Elisha. I have na, Bebe. I have na here.
Oh, yes. Spice cake right now.
Yeah, so I recommend flat white vanilla latte.
Okay, flat
Something
white.
sweet. I recommend this one.
Okay, so vanilla bean latte.
Ice or hot?
What do you prefer? Ice?
Recommend.
I want
I like
ice,
the hot.
right? Hot, okay.
Yeah.
How about the flat white?
Both hot.
Hot also. May I know the reason why?
Because it's cold right now.
right? Okay, but sige, I want to try vanilla bean latte iced.
Yeah.
But can you make it less ice?
And one cafe latte.
Cafe
Hot?
latte. Hot.
Do you have chocolate?
Yeah, the number 3 is chocolate.
One, number 3.
Guys, let's taste this hot dog. This looks spicy.
This is spicy.
Yummy.
The other one.
Oh,
Oh no! It's okay. Oh no! That is hot dog.
Daddy!
Hot dog sandwich. Oh. You here. Bebe, oh.
Kaya ko na nga siya para hindi ka mahirap.
Oh.
How about we share?
Oh.
Mm, joking now.
Oh. Come on.
Let me try. Did you pray na ba?
Other one.
Oh, enough na.
Dapat
Ayusin mo muna yung buko.
What?
Take this. I will try this.
Okay. Oh, wait. Wow. Okay. Oh, this one.
Yummy.
the pistachio.
But the young man, but the most yummy guys is the hot dog.
Okay. Oh, how about the pistachio? Wait lang ha.
That's the.
But sa atin ba lahat to?
Hindi, yung isa kay Lawal.
Si Mama.
Ito sa kanila. Papatingin na kila siya.
This one.
No? You don't like it?
Try ko, favorite yung pistachio.
Daddy.
Try this. Let's try this. It's just the same.
No, that's Tita Juana's.
Can you try this?
Bili ka na. Last na lang yun.
Try.
Oh, this one. Oh.
Guys, I'm gonna try this. This is gonna be yummy. Ooh.
There's cream cheese inside. Full.
Loob niya.
There. Dalawa. Ang almusal. May marami doon.
Or sige,
Tatlo.
niya.
Oo. Sa
Puro
croissant.
pistachio?
Croissant.
Hindi ko na pag-decide yung iba.
No. We're gonna try their very best daw na hot chocolate here. Cafe latte na hot. And, what's this?
Something, nakalimutan ko na.
Vanilla bean latte. Yeah, let's see. This one first. Sarap. Para siyang may lasang, parang milk tea na chocolate. Here, I taste it. Okay. Okay. Then for the latte, okay naman. Your usual latte taste. And here, vanilla bean latte is more of the taste ng vanilla bean, pero hindi siya sweet. So, okay din siya. Who's tired? Raise your hand. You're not tired? Oh. Oh, come on. After onion, we're gonna go to, where are we going, Daddy? To? Where are we going?
Myeongdong.
Up, up, up.
Come here. No, not beach. Where we eat.
Can you sing Myeongdong Beach is falling down?
I don't like.
Ito natin Nakwan Market. Or labas. Kasi sa loob yung Nakwan. I'm not sure. wala na yung mga kasama namin. Saan na sila? Ayun, may mabagal maglakad. Ayun sila. Quick stop. May senior na nakiihi sa Hotel Sky Park. Yan. So, dito yung Hotel Sky Park 2 at Sky Park Central. Supposedly, dapat dito kami mag-book. Pero, mas mahal kasi siya kaysa dun sa na-book namin na hotel ngayon. But, to be honest, mas maganda yung location niya. Kasi naman, ito yung hotel. Kasi dito na yung mismong mga bilihan. So, malapit na siya. Unlike dun sa hotel namin ngayon na medyo malayo-layo yung mga kainan. May konting lakad pa. Yan. Tapos ng coffee shop na to, name is Metcha. Yan. Tapos, sikat daw tong Dak Galbi. Yan. Shala-shala mga taxi dito, nasa Busan kami. Yung gamit nila, Ioniq 6. Diba?
Hindi pinapakita sa palabas yun eh.
Yan yung kinakain ng mga yung nagde-date sa streets.
Hot, hot, hot! Wow! Yummy? Ha, ha, ha! Like that nila siya. Hinga, hinga! Sabi nila isa. Try hotok naman. Kanina, trinay natin yung fish. There.
Si Oli lang ma sa
Hati na lang silang dalawa?
hati na lang po.
Oo. Move, bebe. Isa lang? Ah, ikaw din ba? Okay. How do you find it? Hotok.
I'm gonna feed you now.
Yes, take out.
We're gonna try naman the egg bread.
I'll give you one.
Wow.
Additional one.
One.
One for... Yes.
Okay.
Wait for your order. Wait for your order. Yes.
Elisha.
Hi, bebe.
Take out.
Yeah.
Paano yung baka I'll also take out. Separate. Oh, you give to my granddaughter.
Yay!
Hot, ha?
Hot, hot. Later na hot pa, hot.
Dami na.
You like it? You like it? Yummy? At kami, nakita namin tong travel lodge. Yan. Dapat dito rin kami. Kaso biglang nagmahal. No, magre-reserve na kami. So, hanap kami ng mas mura. Ayan. So, konting lakad din. Pupuntang Myeongdong. Siguro parang mga 6 minutes. Ha? So, labas kami ngayon to buy food for the kiddos. Disadvantage. Ito, madalas disadvantage ng hotel. Ang layo ng pwedeng bilhan na food. Hindi ako abot. Madulas. Hindi ako abot. dulas. Ayan. So, kailangan namin maglakad ng medyo malayo para maghanap ng mabibilhan ng pagkain. Wala tayong malapit na fast food. Tapos nung pumunta kami yung Myeongdong sa McDonald's, sarada na yung McDonald's. Yan. Nice. Kami. Okay, let's buy some food.
Makakapit ah. Ito, pwede yung mga meat kaso mahal, no? Pag-init. Pag-init.
Sa hotel na kami, kain. O, ito. Ano
Ano yun?
sabi mo?
Ano?
Diyan.
Mahal.
Kapag kain ni Elisha.
Bira.
Wala naman na tayong choice eh.
Spaghetti, 500.
Maanghang ng konti, no? Yan.
Mas gugustuhin ko na
Kasi
yung
ito yung
big
binili
chicken.
kanina.
Almost 500.
Sa may tusok chon.
Uy!
Ito yung binili kanina sa may tusok chon. Sarap. Tamis.
That's our day 4 and 5 in South Korea. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.
I'll get tickets na ha. Mom's touch. Hi.
Yan.
There's ice cream.